In the scenes of ICU and operating room, there are many types of medical equipment and related cables and conduits which are entangled with each other, resulting in messy sight, unclear identification and classification, affecting work efficiency and quality of sensory control, and posing safety risks. In view of the above phenomenon, some hospitals will use winding tape or cable management to solve the above problems. But these methods are not easy to install and disassemble, and are not easy to clean. The efficiency is low. What better way to solve it? Don't go away and see how this product is. MedLinkit has developed a cable management sleeve for medical equipment. Integrated zipper designed for fast and convenient cable management. Avoid cable corrosion due to contact with blood or disinfectant. Extend the service life of medical cables. At the same time, this product is easy to disassemble, easy to clean, and easy to replace. It reduces the time for nurses to arrange medical cable storage, and improves the work efficiency of the department.